So you might be trying to go ahead and actually get the last updates for your iPhone. Now I'll show you two ways to check out new updates for iPhone. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. Let's get started. Go all the way settings, then tap on general, just scroll down a little bit and here you will see general. Tap on it and then tap software update. Here you will see what is your latest iOS, and of course you will see if here says iOS is up to date, that means you have a last iOS for your device. It doesn't matter what device you have, but here you can check the latest update for iOS. And second way where you can check it's of course your apps. This means we go to App Store, then you should tap on profile icon at the top right corner. If you not see this icon, that means just tap on today and here is your profile icon. So you just tap on this icon at the top right corner and here you should press and hold on any space of screen and swipe from top to down to reload this page. And at the bottom you will see upcoming automatical updates, but here it says count of how many updates you have for this time, and you just tap on update all and wait when your apps updated, and then just tap on done at the top right corner and use your device. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.